A woman bought 100 crates of eggs, listen on, at 750 per crate. So now, one crate is equal to what? 750. Are you following? All right. Now, so that is the cost price of the egg, but this time around per crate. Now, she found that 10 crates were bad. So, out of the 100, she bought 10 is bad. So, we have to know the one that is good, which is 100 minus 10, which is 90 crates good. So now, the rest were bad, and they sold the rest at 950 per crate. Find her profit or loss. Remember, now we have gotten one crate to be this 750. You get that? So now let's go back to our formula when we said that the profit is equal to selling price minus what? Minus what? From your formula, profit now is equal to what? Profit is equal to selling price minus the cost price. Now, look at this. This is for one crate. And now, to get the crate which he bought, we are going to do 750 times what? To do the entire crate which he bought times what? That is for the good ones. But the one he entirely bought is 100. Are you following the concept? Now, so now let's do 100 times 750 so that we can get the cost price of the entire crate that he bought. Are you following? Now, so please, can you give me the answer to this? 100 times 750. 75,000. Now, look at this. We actually want to get the cost price first before we now go for the selling price. Now, the concept here is they gave us a price for one crate. Are you following? So now, actually, to get the cost price, that is the price which he bought the something. Are you following? We have to know the price of one crate multiplied by the entire quantity that he bought the something. Are you following? Which is the crate of 8 in this case. That is why we are now taking the 100, multiply it, because this 750 is only one crate of egg. Are you following the concept now? So that is how we got the cost price to be this. Do you follow? Now, let's go for the selling price. You know, she found that 10 crates were bad. Out from the 100, 10 is bad. So what are we going to do? You minus 10 out from the 100 that you bought initially, because you cannot sell the bad one. Are you following? So now, when she has done that already, she now sold the rest at 950 per crate. Are you following the concept? One is now sold at the rate of what? 750. Okay. So we want to actually see if, now the question said, find her profit or loss. We don't know if it is profit actually or loss. But now let's find out. Because already, do you know why we are doing this? Do you know why the question says, find her profit or loss? Because 10 are spoiled already. So the woman is now, am I going to gain or am I going to lose? So now let's find out. That is why we are solving the something mathematically. Are you following the concept now? All right. So let's go quickly. Now, this is 90 crates remaining that is good. So 90 times what? The selling price. What is the selling price now? 950. Thank you very much. And so 90 now times what? No, 950. 950 is equals to what? Give us the answer, please. 85,000. 85,500. Now, we have actually gotten what? Our selling price. Selling price. And now this is the cost price. So now, let's see if it is actually profit or gain. Are you following? So quickly, let's go. Let's use this formula for us to see. Selling price is what? Tell me, what is the selling price? 500 minus, what is our cost price now? 70. Please give me the final answer, dear. Give me the final answer. It's just a simple subtraction. So please give me the answer. Be fast. 75. Okay. Thank you. So quickly give me the answer. Just subtract it from this. 10,500 naira. So it's actually profit. Even though some spoiled, she got profit. Is that concept understood? Okay. Like I showed you initially, this is our small formula which I've highlighted for you. What I did was, I want to go through it again for some persons that haven't understood this. All right? So quickly, let's go through it again. A woman bought 100 crates of eggs at 750 per crate. She found that 10 crates were bad, and she then sold the rest at 950 per crate. Are you following the concept? So that is what I did here, and I got this answer. Do you understand that one? So the cost price for 100 eggs is this. So she found that 10 crates were bad. 10 out of these 100 were bad. I cannot sell smelling and bad egg to anybody. Will you buy it? You will not buy it. You will not buy it. So I have to remove that one. Were bad. So we have to remove the bad one because we are not dealing with bad eggs at this moment. So now we're bad, and she then sold the rest at 950 per crate. The remaining now, since 10 were bad, the remaining is now 90. Are you following? She now sold each of them at 950. Are you following the concept? So when she now sold each of them at 950, how will you do so that you get the number, like the entire number that is remaining good, which is the 90. So you're going to multiply the 90 times the 950, which is what we have just done here, and we got 85,500. Are you following that? Which is the selling price now. So we have gotten our cost price and our selling price. So now let's find out if it is a profit. We now substitute in the selling price minus the cost price will give you the profit. Are you following? Because the reason is, I told you initially that when the cost price of an item is lower than its selling price, what happens? It is gain or profit.